My people, Mona let me share this video. That woman will come in just now. If he say a family member never enter Europe, our people will die for this Mediterranean Sea, for this year, for this month where we dey so. That woman, a family, they are going to come to this Mediterranean Sea. Their children will die or time there in the Mediterranean Sea. And our people will die for this Mediterranean Sea. Their soul will not rest in peace. Their soul will continue to be haunting the evil government of the zoo, the evil traditional ruler in the zoo, the evil Oba Benin Kingdom that be killing our youth with secret court, with running away from our land, from Igodo land, to come to Europe and die in Mediterranean Sea. Their soul will not rest in peace. Their soul will continue to make sure the Oba Benin generation that will wipe out, they will not be where to be found in this planet Earth. There will not be rest in peace. That will hunt Oba Benin to death because nobody is happy when his brother die in this Mediterranean Sea with no reason. When we have a good society in our home, we have what will make us to be a somebody in our land. But our children and our born children, they will take them to Europe, to Libya. They will die in this Mediterranean Sea, unnecessary, with no reason. Why are they running? Many are running because of secret court. Many are running because there is no food, there is no hope, there is no hope for them. They want to go and look for hope where there is no hope. But now they end up dying in the Mediterranean Sea. A woman will call me on my platform and be telling me he is the Oba Benin Juju. Me, I tell that woman, your family member, they will come to this sea and die. They will come to this sea and the Mediterranean Sea, they will come and die. They will come to the Mediterranean Sea and come and die. The way our youth and be dying in this sea. Many our Igodo youth that don't die for this sea, the name of Benin. They will say they are a Benin. They bear that name, land of anger. They run away from their home. There will not be a peace for the wicked. All of them, they will not rest in peace. They will hunt all the evil leaders in the zoo. Those are people that die in this sea. They will hunt all the evil leaders in the zoo. We don't want them. We are not Nigeria. We are not Nigeria. Maybe by now, person like me, they for not see me, I for not come outside, come to talk. Person like me for see, they inside the sea, see die. But God make am know say, me, I survive, I not die. I see the way that they be for Europe. But you dey Europe, you don't need good thing. You dey plan, make our youth, they die for this sea on daily basis. Because you dey serve Oba Benin Juju. Because Oba Benin Juju, he dey give you food chop. Oba Benin Juju, you know they save our youth. You know they help our youth. You know save our youth for this Mediterranean Sea, make they not die. You dey kill them, they die every day. They die on daily basis for this sea. The one wey dey Libya, they plan to come. Why they come? The zoo is not good. Oba, they kill them every day. You don't carry OPC come. You don't bring OPC to come kill them again. Because now, our youth now, they'll call they run away. They'll call they come up for our land. Because of OPC, where Oba Benin bring come. We will not joke with any of our youth. We will not joke with any of our youth. For this generation, Oba Benin and the evil doer and the Yoruba people, they and their children will die or terminate death in that land. We don't need them anymore. We don't want them. The problem we have in the Yoruba, we don't have any problem. We don't have any problem in our land. The Yoruba people, they are going to leave our land. We don't need them. We don't want them. Our people are dying on a daily basis in this water. Nobody say anything about it. People that die in this sea, the zoo government don't load them, don't load their family member. They don't care. It's not their business. So far they are taking the money to Europe and be spending. We don't want that anymore. We don't need it anymore. We don't want that anymore. Any single soul that die in this sea, your soul will not rest in peace. Your soul continue to be killing the traditional ruler. You people soul will continue to be killing the evil leader. Your soul will continue to be hunting all people wey be say that dey Europe. They fit comot for this. They fit see here, just pass this sea. They say they no live good thing. They want make our youth dey come they die here. Their family member is coming here to come and die too. They say they don't want good thing for our land. We don't want our people to be coming here and die on daily basis. We don't want that. We don't need it. Our youth must stay at home. Then we get job. Oba Bini Igbo Kingdom is the one that be driving our youth away from their various homes. Oba Bini Igbo Kingdom. He brought different various or secret courts. Our youth, they will run for secret courts. They'll come there for Mediterranean Sea. Our youth, they will run for Ogbeni. They'll come there for Mediterranean Sea. They escape one, they will die for the other one. Oba Bini, OPC, now come break on now. OPC will break on so. Now to kill our youth. To dey send our youth come on for their home, come this Mediterranean Sea. If Oba Bini drink water, if he drink water, that water going to kill him. If Oba Bini touch anything wey resemble water, that water going to kill him. If Oba Bini use water take bath, that water going to burn his skin. Every the citizen of Igodo land wey be say they die for this sea with no knowing, with no knowing. They will not rest in peace. They will not rest in peace. They will stop at nothing to hunt Oba Bini and his evil kingdom. All the old traditional ruler that will die untimely death, they will have a big stomach and die. We don't want them anymore. They are not welcome in our land. They are the evil people we have in our land. You cannot see a traditional ruler that died in this Mediterranean Sea. No, it's not. You cannot see it. There is no traditional ruler that can come this Mediterranean Sea and come and die. No, he will not. But who is dying? It's our youth and our children. Not even youth anymore. It's the children that be dying in this sea. You will take your children to Libya, to Mediterranean Sea. You will die in this sea. The name of I want my children to live a good life. Whereby you have a good life to live in the so-called zoo. Whereby you have natural resources that will sustain everybody in our land. But they say no. The traditional ruler, they say no. They say they don't want to die. We are telling our people that die in this sea, their soul will not rest in peace. Their soul will continue to be killing all the old traditional ruler, all the old king, all the old chief, all of them, whether you good, whether you bad, since you are not saying the truth, since you cannot come outside and defend your people. This, if you drink water, water are going to kill you. Anything with you touch that concerning water is going to kill you. If you dey Europe, you dey plan say Oba Bini Juju will save you. Your family member, they will make mistake. We are going to make them to make mistake. That will come to this sea, that will die. We are going to tell our people that die in this sea. You are going to tell those people that have been fighting for Oba Bini, their family member, they should make mistake, they should come into this sea so that they will die untimely death. We don't want our people to be dying on daily basis. You dey Europe, you dey tell our youth say le Bokaleza na even for Obasaki. Obasaki see say Oba Bini bring OPC come. OPC wey wan drive our youth enter Libya for the second time again. OPC wey wan drive our youth enter Sahara Desert. They wan drive them comot for home make dem come time for this sea again. Obasaki, if you no do the right thing, your convoy it will catch fire and you will burn to ashes. So shall it be. Now so all our people that die in this Mediterranean Sea, now so all of the talker, all our people that die in this sea, their soul will not rest in peace. Their soul can never rest in peace. Their soul will continue to be haunting every evil people that come to this Europe, that to come and defend Oba Bini, that to come and defend the zoo government, that to come and defend the evil, the zoo government, and be committing against our people, that make our people to run away for their various soul, to come to Europe, in the name of Europe, and die in this Mediterranean Sea. All of them, their family, they are going to make a mistake. They will come here, they will die. Nobody will cry them. Any man, any woman, now know that in Europe is a good life. Nobody is controlling your life. You are in Europe. You are living a good life. You there Europe. You see head. They pass this sea. Come to this place. You see head. They pass Sahara Desert. They come to this place. You will see us say, with a shout, our youth, more than come up for secret court. Our youth, more than not they fight on ourselves again. You say no, better they fight yourself. Your brothers and your family and your relation, they are going to come to this sea and die untimely death, and nobody will cry them. Any man, any woman that based in Europe, that based in America, you have been supporting the zoo. You say the zoo, you are going to protect the zoo. We are telling you now, the way this water is flowing is the way the water will float. Your family member, your generation, they will float them out. They will bring them out, and our people so we never rest in peace. If you are in Europe, your family member will make a mistake and come to this place. Our people now, they want to begin to run from our home, from Igolobi land to Europe because of Oba Bini OPC that he brought to our land. Any man, any woman that be supporting Oba Bini, if he drink water, the water will kill him. If he eat food, waste salt day, the water will kill him, because this water is a salt water. This water, you don't joke with human flesh. Your family member will come here and die untimely death, and they will make a mistake in the zoo and they will come here and die. Nobody will cry there. Nobody will tell them what they are doing. They should not come. They will come here. Since you said you don't need a good life, you don't need good thing to happen to our people, you don't want our people to stay their home, then for them not to be dying every day in this sea, for them not to be dying in Libya, for them not to be doing prostitution, for them not to be coming living their home and be disgracing our people all over the world. You said no. You said you want to send your children, your girl children, come Europe, make them do all sorts of work, because you won't be here, you won't be chairman, they won't know your name. Most of them, their brain no dey work again. If you drink water, water no go reach your throat, water will condemn you, it will spoil your generation, the water will kill you. You dey this Europe, you dey support the zoo. The zoo government, they are going to drive your family member to come and die in this Mediterranean Sea. They are going to put a poverty in your family member to come to this place to come and die. They are going to die here untimely death. The way our youth will be dying in this sea. The way our youth will be dying in this Mediterranean Sea and the Sahara Desert. Any evil kingdom that they brought to our people, for our people to be running away from their home. You there, Europe, you there happy say you don't succeed. You all done better. May our youth, may the country risk pass this Mediterranean Sea. Your family member, they are going to pass this sea with a mistake and they will die inside. You did this Europe, you will see the truth, you will not say it. You will come in for phone, you will defend over your family member, they are going to come this Mediterranean Sea and come and die. They will not come with their clear eye. They will come with they don't know, they will die here. Oba Benin are going to confuse them to come here and die. Our youth that will be dying all over the world, our youth that will be dying in Sahara Desert in Libya. If you are in Europe, you are praying that it's a Lepocalesa that want to help our youth. Wherever you are supporting Obaseki. You that man, you are going to die untimely death. Your family member are going to come here and die. I don't care who you are. Since you are seeing the truth, you don't want to say it. Because now our youth are going to be leaving their home to be coming to Libya, to be coming to Mediterranean Sea. Because Oba Benin have blocked OPC again for them to be running up and down. These are the things we don't want in our land. We don't want Oba Benin. He should go wherever he came from. We don't need any king. We don't need traditional ruler. We want our youth to be safe. All of them to be safe. Their families, various home. Don't disturb anybody. We don't want anybody to disturb our youth. Don't bring any various juju to our people. If you are the one that be committing havoc in Europe, be lied to our people in home, say abroad is good, then you permit us to come here. The name of Oba Benin juju. Your family member are going to make a mistake and come here and die. Our people that die in this Mediterranean Sea, they are so we never rest in peace. They are so we remain there. They are so we hunt Oba Benin. They are so we hunt the zoo government down. Any unborn children that die in this sea, any unborn children, any baby that die in this Mediterranean Sea, they are so we never rest in peace. You are living in any country, you are saying Obaseki is a Lepocalesa that vote for Obaseki because Obaseki give you money, because Obaseki give you a position. Our youth should be coming in Europe and die in the Mediterranean Sea. Your family member are going to come here and die. Any man, any woman that live in Europe, wherever country you are, I don't care where you are, I don't care the kind of thing you do. Any our single soul, our children that die in this sea, they are going to give you a sickness whereby the European Union, they will not fit cure you. The sickness will pass coronavirus. We know that coronavirus have cure. But the sickness that our children that die in this sea, our youth that die in this sea, the sickness that they are going to give you, coronavirus have cure. It will not have cure. You will die, but I mean dead. There is no hospital will save you. Any of our youth, our guys, we don't die for this sea because I was the one that come and bury a young guy. This guy is an Isha guy. Sonia Ijere. You don't know his family anymore. We buried this guy in Sicily. but nobody say anything about it. Nobody say anything about it. This guy die in this Mediterranean Sea. They plenty, but they bring the cops to us. You say you are in Europe, you follow flight come. May your family member follow flight come because you dey fight for Oba Benin. Aeroplane where your family member enter, you are going to, you go explode, you go bomb. We don't want you people. You dey Europe, you pass Mediterranean Sea come, you survive, you dey support Oba Benin. If you wan go home, you no follow this water, you go follow flight. Any plane where you go enter, the plane you go get fault, but the pilot will survive, but only you wan go die inside. The rest people will survive, only you wan going to die inside. You say you will go home, you wan go dey tell me why you dey tell you take buche, so that they come dey run come Europe and die in Mediterranean Sea. Any flight where you enter, that flight, only you want to survive for inside that flight. The rest people will survive. The good people, they will survive. You will not survive in that flight. You are going to die in that flight. You are going to die untimely death in that flight because you pass this Mediterranean Sea to Europe. You know how this sea look like. You know how you suffer to reach here. You know how many people die in the boat. You know how many people die in the Mediterranean Sea. You said no. You want our youth to come and die again. Any flight you enter, that flight, only you are going to die inside. Maybe the flight will not crash. If you all sleep inside the flight, you will die. The rest people will be saved. You say you want to be a politician in Europe. You are doing a politician against our people that live in their various homes in Europe. You are fighting for a politician. You go come outside, you go dey talk say le Bokalesa, Sheda Kamesha about Lego, where our youth no know, they don't know where they for come, they don't know who that their story. You say no, that they save Obaseki, that they vote for Obaseki. If you enter flight, that car where they use, they are going to kill you. We don't want you people. We don't want you. We don't need any of you now. If you don't want to say the truth, you are an old man, you don't old leave your sense. You no fit come outside say all those juju where Oba Benin dey carry dey come give our women in Europe in the name of say that they sell cream, that they exercise their right. You dey come outside, you dey support Oba Benin. If you use water take bath, because the water we are using in Europe here is a salt water. Oyibo people, they have a machine they use to manufacture the water will be clean. If you use that water to bath, that water will spoil your body. That water are going to haunt you to death. You will sleep, you will not wake up. Our people that die in this water, they are going to kill you. They will not spare you alive because their soul is not rest in peace because they die untimely death. So shall it be, you are going to die untimely death too. You are a governor, a senator, wherever you are. Our people is dying on this Mediterranean Sea. You have been wearing agbada up and down. Your convoy, it will catch fire. Mechanic will leave spanner inside the engine. Your children, if they are playing in Europe, your children, if they are playing in the country, they will just fall, they will die. Any man, any woman that live in Europe, you live in Western world, you say, no, Oba Benin is doing it well to be taking OPC to our land, to be killing our youth and take the dead body to Upper, so that we say it's Upper youth that be killing them. Any of your youth, your brothers and sisters, if they will make a mistake, they must make that mistake. We are going to tell our people that die. You must continue to make the mistake for them to come here and die. If Oba Benin drink water, any water where Oba Benin drink, Even though say na can water, that water are going to turn a poison in his stomach. Oba Benin, the house boy and the house girl, they used to cook for you, that give you food to chop. They are going to turn against you overnight. They will give you a poison to chop. Our people that die in this sea, they are going to cook for Oba Benin to chop. They are going to cook a better food for Oba Benin to chop so that we have big stomach. Oba Benin will not know who cooked for him. Our people, our children, our born children that die in this sea, they are going to use a cup to fetch water for Oba Benin to drink and die. Oba Benin may be thinking the OPC will help him, OPC will not help him, OPC will run away from him. Since you plan to blink OPC to drive our youth away for their various home to come to Europe and die in Mediterranean Sea, OPC will kick against you and they will kill you. Any boy, any girl, you come to Europe, I don't care whether you repent, whether you don't repent, it's not my business. I don't know how you come. I don't care whether you are here. You say no. You don't want your secret to be revealed. You want to remain in darkness. You want people not to know the truth about you. You don't want to change your mentality. You want to train your children to remain so. Isole, Igodomigodo, you will see a young man will give birth to a children. He will be telling the children, after you grow up, you will go and join Oba Benin Juju. Isa, all those people plan this thing against our people. A small boy that they born a 5 years old children, their father will be telling them, if you don't grow up, you will go and join Oba Benin Juju. We will work for you. That's why you see our people, they did not promote their mentality in Oba Benin Juju. Because they told their children, Oba Benin Juju, you is the one you will join. They will be teaching them. This is the lecture they teach their children on daily basis. They believe that Juju will help them. It will not help them. Upon that Juju, their children will leave that place. They will come to Mediterranean Sea. They will still die also. The Juju will not help them. Any man, any woman that will be kicking against our freedom, our Biafra freedom, wherever you are, all over the world, whether you are a governor, whether you are a senator, any country where you for come, I don't care. If you do see the European Union, I don't care about. I don't want to care about them. That one is their business. You don't want to do the right thing. You want our people to be dying. We want black man to be dying. I'm telling you, this water that live in your land, this water are going to kick against you people. Since you see our people are be dying on daily basis, you don't want to do the right thing for our people to be free, for our people not to be dying on daily basis. You will be speaking all sorts of language. We don't want that anymore. If you don't do the right thing, this water are going to burst. It will destroy the world. This water are going to get angry. One day, the whole world will be destroyed. This water are going to burst. One day, it will save the children of God. Wherever you are, whether it's an American president, I don't care. I don't care to know you. You are saying you don't want to do the right thing for our people not to be dying in the Mediterranean Sea. It's not your business. It's the black people. You don't want to say anything because you are benefiting in our land. You are benefiting in our blood. You want our people to be dying. If you don't want to do the right thing, this Mediterranean Sea, this water are going to burst and will destroy the world. Our people that die in this water, they will not be happy. They will make this water to be angry. Then we continue to be making this water to be angry on daily basis. This water will not have peace because the innocent citizens, the innocent blood that die in this water, they are not happy. Before they die, they don't know they want to die. They don't know if they pass this water, they will die. When I'm coming to this water, I did not know this kind of water I want to pass. They take me into this water in the middle of the night. I reach the center of this water and I begin to see all those of things that I never seen in my life before. Since you people see the right thing to be doing to our people, not to be dying in the Mediterranean Sea, you will be saying, migrant, this one, we don't want that anymore. The thing you will do for us, we want to restore our kingdom. Everybody should stay in home, his various home. This is what we want in our people to be safe. We want our people to be safe. If you don't want that, this water are going to destroy the world because it's our people will be dying in this water on daily basis. There's not any white man that die in this water. No. We are telling our people that die in this water, your soul will be not rest in peace. Your soul will live. Your soul will live to be witnessing the way this water will explode to destroy the world. The way this water is angry is the way your spirit is angry. The way this water is not happy is the way your spirit is angry. Because you did not die a good death. You die ultimate death. You did not expect that you will die in this water. All the unborn children that die in this water, they did not expect they will die in this water. But they die ultimate death. I'm telling them now that this water, it will not stop to be angry until it bursts to destroy the world. Because nobody will be happy for the people to be dying on daily basis. We don't want that. We don't want that in our life. We don't want that in this generation. Anybody that survived to come here, you have to be rising up and kick against the evil government they have in the zoo because we want to go our various places. We don't want anybody to tell us what to do anymore. Because our people that die in this sea, they are human beings. They are not a ghost. It's someone that gave birth to them. You are a man. You say no. You say you don't need good tea. This water are going to kill you. Hey! Merci. You see, a white woman, he just helped me to take my basket away from the water. This water are going to kill every boy and all women, all boys and girls that have been fighting for politicians, that have been fighting for Obaseki. You will come outside on social media, you will say Obaseki is the leader of those states, Obaseki is Jacoba Bini Yuri. If you use this water to bath, this water are going to kill you and your generation, and our people that die in this sea, their soul will not rest in peace. Their soul will not rest in peace. Their soul will continue to be haunting you people that will be fighting for politicians. Any man, any woman that gave birth to his daughter, that carry his baby for 9 months, you will be seeing other person baby die in the Mediterranean Sea. You will be saying, it's not my own, it's not of my business. The baby you born in Africa are going to come to this Mediterranean Sea, he will die also. You are going to give your baby money to come and die in this Mediterranean Sea also. He can survive the Sahara Desert, but he will not survive this. He can survive Libya, but this water, he will not survive it. Tell me why he will not survive this? Because our innocent children that die in this water, our innocent brothers that die in this water, their soul have never rest in peace. You have been telling our youth, it's a Jericho. Edo State now is not a Jericho. Edo State now, they win election. So now they should become living their various hope because of the OPC Oba Bini Brikon, because of the soldier and military Obaseki Brikon. No, Obaseki is doing it well. If you drink water, the water will kill you. We don't want you people. You are not welcome. Any man, any woman that get better carry children for 9 months, that know how baby is not easy to carry. You said no. You are calling me and telling me that you want to protect Oba Bini Juju. You are in Europe. You even use white man telephone to call me. You will not die a good death. Coronavirus will not kill you because they have cure on that one. They managed to have cure. The sickness that will kill you will not have cure. You may drink water, you will not know what is happening to you. The only thing that will kill you is only this water that our children and our youth are dying on a daily basis. If you drink water, that water is going to kill you. It will turn a poison. Our youth and our children, their soul will not be rest in peace. Their soul will they will live in this Mediterranean Sea. That will make sure say this water will explode and destroy the world. When I pass this water, I did not expect that. Is this water I'm coming to? I did not even know whether I even die in this water itself. Anybody that know me, when I'm in this water, I did not know I survived this water. I don't know whether it's human being speaking now, but anybody that die in this water, his soul will never rest in peace. If you think Oba Bini Juju will save you, but this water will not save you. You will drink water now. You will use water to bath. You will use water to cook. You will use water to wash clothes. Anything you are doing, there is water there. If there is no water, you cannot live. So shall it be. Our people that die in this sea, our children, their soul will not rest in peace. Their blood is inside this water. That's why this water is not happy on daily basis. In the evening, you will see this water. It will full all over this place. Because the water is not happy that he is taking a human being life. The water is not happy that our citizen is dying in this water on daily basis. You live in America, you live anywhere anywhere you live in the Western world. You say you are a black man. You say any black man that die is not your business. It did not concern you. So far you live in America, you are American citizen. That one is not our business. The only thing we know that you are a black man, you are from Africa. If you don't want to tell your people that our people want to be free, if you drink water, that water are going to kill you, and this water are going to destroy the world the way you people write it in the Bible. Because we are not there where you write it. Because our people that die in this water, they are not happy, they are angry. Because you are looking for viewer, for people to be looking at you. You have been mentioning our leader name, that our leader is not your problem. Our leader is the one that come and save us. Our leader is the one that make our people not to be dying in the Mediterranean Sea. You say you want to kick against it. If you drink water, this water is going to kill you. You want to do a program. If you don't mention Mazuna Di Carlo name in the program, you will not be happy. So shall it be. You will not be happy with the rest of your life. And if you drink water, that water is going to kill you. If you use water to cook, that water is going to kill you. Our people that die in this water, they are not happy. Their soul will never rest in peace. You are a Yoruba man, a Yoruba woman, wherever you came from. I don't care who you are. I don't want to know you. You say you don't want to fight freedom for your people. You say no, you want to remain in the zoo so that our people will be dying in the Mediterranean Sea. You are telling me that it's a tribalism affecting as you leave my people to be dying in the Mediterranean Sea. The whole Alaye that live in Lagos, they are going to come here and die. If you be Alaye, you live in Lagos, you have never experienced this water once before, you must start. If you are do, if you do revolution, you must do it in a rightful way, because what is coming for you people, you will not see it. Because if it's not the Yoruba people, our people will not be dying in this Mediterranean Sea. They will have good health care, they will have hospital, they will have company. I know there is a river, a sea like this in Lagos. That sea are going to burn and destroy all the evil plan they have to our people in that place. We don't want these people there. We are not one people. You be king, you be chief, wherever you are, you dey drink water. All the old king, all the old chief, they drink water. The water they take they bath. You don't fit deny say you know they use water they bath. You don't fit deny say you know they use water they take go toilet. You anything where they do, you must use water to do to take do. You dey deceive our people. You are going to die untimely death. We cannot use a Bible to curse you. We cannot use a Quran to curse you. We cannot go to pastor to curse you. We cannot go to anywhere. We cannot go to any shrine because those things are rubbish. This water is going to kill you. The white people say a day they wrote it in the Bible. A time is coming when the water will destroy the world. They wrote it, they think, they use it to deceive us. But we are telling them now, that time will come, they will not expect it, and if they don't do the right thing. The way they said it, they think they use it to thrill us, is the way it's going to be thrilling them. It will happen. This water will burst and destroy the world. You say we should be happy. Since we are in Europe, it doesn't concern us. Other family they can die. It's not your business. That one is not. It don't concern you. Since you are in Europe, everything is okay for you. If you drink this water, you are going to die. We will not leave you to live a life. You cannot live life. You don't deserve to be living. You deserve to die so that our people should be living. Oba Bini is drinking water on daily basis. If Oba Bini don't drink water, Oba Bini will not have peace. He must drink water. Oba Bini is even peace. He the peace. If he don't drink water, he will not use the pennies to peace. He drink water, but our people is dying in this Mediterranean Sea. She is even bringing OPC to our people. Oba Bini, the water, wherever, even though say they give you a can water to drink, that can water, you don't know who manufactured that can water. Even the machine that manufactured the can water, you are not the one that produce it. You don't know how the can water be. You cannot escape death. You are just wasting your time. This is your time for we to tell you that if you don't want to leave our people alone, your generation, it will not be where to be found. We are not doing this for you people to be happy. We are not doing this for you people to be saying, why are we doing all this? We are doing this because our people that die in this Mediterranean Sea is a mother that gave birth to them. Is a mother that they gave birth to Oba Abini. Oba Abini deceive our youth, deceive our women that he is the God. You people should tell Oba Abini to come and use leg to pass this water, whether Oba Abini will survive this water. A traditional ruler, you are wearing red and white cloth, you are telling us the tradition you are doing is the best. I am telling you today, the only thing that will make me, person like me, to be listening to what you are saying, come and use your leg to pass this water. And you will tell me that you are a chief, you are a lady doctor, you are a traditional ruler. You want to plan evil against our people. You are planning all kinds of juju for them. A lady doctor, if you drink water, you are going to die. And that juju you are doing, say, you are even using water. And say, you people don't even ask this. That juju you people are doing, you are using water. And that water is what I'm using to lay curse on your head. A lady doctor, if you touch water, anything that makes you to touch water, you are going to die. A various shrine that Oba Abini brought from Ile-Ife, he used it to deceive our people that it is the Jesus Christ that come in our time. We don't know where it came from. You, this man, a woman, that be putting red hair in this platform, that be committing user in this platform, your family member, they will come here, they will die of family death. You will not know the time you will send them money to go to Libya. They will survive Sahara Desert, but they will not survive this. No man, no woman that will be kicking against our freedom. We come, we drink water, that we have peace. He will die, water will kill him. Water will not be his friend anymore. And from today go, water will hunt him to death because our people that die here, they are human beings. Traditional ruler, all these people that wear red and white cloth, I'm telling you people now, if you want we people to be believing you people, I don't want you to do the right thing because you cannot do the right thing. You have the last chance in your life. The only chance you have in your life now, the test we are giving you people now, use your leg to pass Sahara Desert and use your leg to pass Mediterranean Sea before we are even talking about traditional, whether that thing is even exist itself, we don't know. This our generation now. Any traditional ruler that cannot use leg to pass this Mediterranean Sea, that cannot use leg to pass Sahara Desert, is not a traditional ruler. He is just fooling himself. I don't say you should use both. I don't say you should use lapa because you say you have various power. You can do anything. You can get away with it. I want you to come here and get away with it, anything you are doing. Traditional ruler that wear BB cap, that wear things that not they did not manufacture. You there, our land, you are drinking water. You don't know where the water came from. You don't know how the water look like. You don't know whether that water is a salt water before when it leave other various places, it come and turn to a good water and you are drinking it, you are going to die. If you are a traditional ruler, the British have been giving you money to make sure that you suppress our youth, you make our youth not to know what they are doing, you deceive our youth, all sorts of things. If you drink water, you are going to die. We don't want you to be living. You be traditional ruler, our youth, Nigerian military will kill them. Nobody will say anything about it. Boko Haram is there, they have been recruiting it. It's not in a business. If you drink water, if you use water to bath, that water are going to kill you, and there will not be a mercy for you, and there will not be a cure in your sickness. They cannot cure you. Coronavirus will good more than your sickness. I am here today to tell you people, I didn't even know whether I pass this Mediterranean Sea to reach this Europe, because when you are in this Mediterranean Sea, if they break you in this Mediterranean Sea, then you will know you are not human being anymore. That's why I say the old traditional ruler, all of them, they must come here and use leg to pass here, not lapa lapa. We don't want them to use lapa lapa. All our children, unborn children, and the youth and the women, the pregnant women, the unborn children that die in this sea, their soul will never rest in peace. Their soul will live long. Their soul will live long to witness this sea when this sea will burst. If the European don't want to do the right thing, it will destroy the world. They are the ones that write it, that water is coming to destroy the world, and they have been killing our people with this water. And this water are going to burst. The way they say it are going to happen against them, because the water close to them. We don't care who you are. We don't want to know. Whatever you are doing, it's not all of our business. But the only thing we are telling you, do the right thing so that our people will not be dying in the Mediterranean Sea, will not be dying in Sahara Desert, will not be dying in Libya. But you don't want to do the right thing. The way you wrote Bible that water is coming to destroy the world, so shall it be, because we have been destroying, the water has been destroying our youth and our women and our children on a daily basis. You people are so not saying anything about it. What you people know is migrant. We don't want to hear that anymore. America, a black man, you are living in America, you think you are from there, nothing is happening. They are going to kill you the way they kill George Floyd. You say when we are fighting for freedom, it's not your business. You are living comfortable. Anytime you drive your car out, they are going to shoot you inside your car. They will kill you. A boy and a girl. You have a girlfriend, you have a boyfriend, you have family. Call your family member at home, tell them we need freedom. Don't be telling them that Europe, you are comfortable life, they should come here unless you are doing the wrong thing. If you are doing the wrong thing, your family member they need to come here and come and die. You have to send them money so that they will come quickly. The way this water is angry in this month now, because the soul that this water take in this month, they will never rest in peace. There is no peace for the wicked. A matured man, he live in Godo now. He don't know the name is bearing. He think the name is bearing is the name of the land. He know, but he's deceiving himself, because his wife or Oba Juju say that he are going to protect Oba Juju with his last blood. If he drink water, he are going to die. This water is already bursting now. They are going to die. We don't want anybody to be deceiving us. A migrant do one, a migrant that one. We don't want it again. What we want is freedom. What we want is freedom. The freedom we want is total freedom. Everybody should leave his land. Everybody should leave his land with peaceful. Go back to your land. We don't want you people. We cannot live together. Because of you people, our youth will be dying in this sea. If you check the people that will be dying in this Mediterranean Sea, before you a Yoruba man don't die in this sea, a Yoruba man live in Libya, because he believes they are one people. The Libyan people are in, they are one people. Thank you, my people. Our people, they are so, we never rest in peace. They are so, we kill all the old traditional ruler. They are so, we kill all the old leader, the old evil leader in the zoo. We don't want them anymore. God bless my people. God bless Biafra. Our people, your soul will never rest in peace. Thank you.